Welcome to busyworkbeats.com, and today we're going to be learning how to sound like um, Low Skies on Landon Cube, alright? So let's just go ahead and do this real quick, okay? I'm going to go ahead and play the song. Hey, 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 nowadays I'm too cool for a girlfriend. Nowadays I don't know when the world spins. Live your life like we die when the world ends. It's alright every time we fucking break a sign. Nowadays shit's not the same. Life switched lanes, now these souls act strange. And I lost my grip on the world and bliss aside. Hey, it's so lonely on the east side. I don't give a fuck, I keep it real, I'm not gonna let it slide. Now she see me, oh she let me fuck on me to come inside. Alright, so that's how it sounds, my bad. That's how it sounds, alright? I'm gonna go ahead and just take off the effects of the vocals and then go over what we add, alright? So here's how the song sounds, you know, default, no effects on. Let me go ahead and show y'all that. Just cause niggas wanna see, you know? Alright, here we go. Hey, hey, hey. Nowadays I'm too cool for a girlfriend. Nowadays I don't know when the world spins. Live your life like we die when the world ends. It's alright every time we fucking break a sign. Nowadays shit's not the same. Life switched lanes, now these souls act strange. And I lost my grip on the world and the bliss inside. Hey, it's so lonely on the east side. I don't give a fuck, I keep it real, I'm not gonna let it slide. Now she see me, oh she let me fuck on me to come inside. Alright, so let's go over the first section, or what we record with. It's just simple cutting of the vocals at 100 hertz and 294, bring it down to, or 632, bring it down. Let's bring these down right here, or just go ahead and copy them, or whatever. We have a limiter. This is what we use to higher up our vocals if our input gain is really low. So all I did was just higher it up if you have low volume. Auto-tune, our key was F sharp. Chromatic, we're using chromatic scale. This is the magic auto-tune that everybody wants to get and they don't know how to get it. Usually this is set to minor or major, but when you do that, you're only using a couple notes, or like 8 or 9 notes. Okay, so whenever you set it to chromatic, you're using 12 notes supposedly, and it sounds smooth as balls, all right? And we set it to minor, so F sharp, chromatic scale, minor, and we have 12 notes, all right? Retune speed 16, humanize 100%. You don't really have to have auto tune on, but I can't be in pitch on this song. I suck at being in pitch or being in key, and yeah, I can't talk. All right, I'm retarded. Limiter, we have a limiter here. This is just our compressor version of the limiter, and we set the threshold to have it between our vocals. So let me just play the vocals real quick. Or no, I can't. Just have it sit on top of your vocals and then compress it. But yeah, something like that. And also we're using just simple parametric EQ. Higher this up right here. That's it. And we gotta have the lyrics, cause if you don't know the lyrics of the song, then how are you gonna sing along? You know? Alright. Now we're moving on to the first vocals. Here they are. I'm gonna be turning on each and every effect so you can hear the difference, right? Hey, that didn't do nothing, right? Hey, that did something a little bit. I don't know. Let's see. Nowadays I'm too cool for a girlfriend. Nowadays I don't know when the world's kind of lowers it down, but this is nothing. This just a noise gate. You don't have to have it, so yeah. This one right here is another compressor. Threshold right here, negative 17 decibels. Ratio 5.9 decibels, or 5.9 ratio. All right. Now we have our sound geyser on. A is a sound godizer. Have it like around 45, 49, 46%. And yeah. Now we have our fruity parametric EQ. Just make a graph that looks like this, you know? Live your life like we die when the world ends. It's alright every time we fucking. I don't know why it's so loud. What the Hey. Nowadays I'm too cool for a girlfriend. Nowadays I don't know when the world spins. Live your life like we die. Alright, and the last thing we add on our vocals, our rap vocals, is not auto tune, reverb. Okay, wetness right here, the K around right here, and bass. You might want to lower this down a little bit, but let me see. When the world ends, it's alright every time we fucking break a sound. Nowadays shit. Alright, yeah, just have it like around 72%. Size this way, half or H cut 42 hertz, cut around there, and then cut around 1330 hertz on the reverb. Yeah, that's about it. So let's move on to our background vocals of the first chorus. Hey, nowadays I'm too cool for a girlfriend. Nowadays I don't know when the world spins. So that's how they sound. This is how they sound alone. I'm too cool for a girlfriend. Alright, all we're gonna do is just add a chorus and throw it on. Put that shit default settings, mix it down to about 76%, turn the limiter on, set that hoe to compressor, put it on threshold, bring it down here. Look, that's how you do it. I'm too cool for a girlfriend. Bring it in the middle. Put that shit in the middle, alright? I'm too cool for a girlfriend. I don't know when the West spins. Ratio 2.2. I'm too cool for a girlfriend. I don't know when the West spins. Reverb. This is a big one. Turn this hoe all the way up. Okay? Wetness high up there, 73. Decay 6.2. Size default. H cut. Just copy these settings, alright? Just copy them. I'm too cool for a girlfriend. Nowadays I don't know when the world spins. Live your life like we die when the world ends. It's alright every time we fucking break a sound. Nowadays shit's not the same. Like switch lanes, not. Now we're moving on to Landon's vocal effects. Basically, it's just double the effects or double vocals, and then we have Louis guys in the background just talking. This is how he sounds. Nowadays shit's not the same. Like switch lanes, now these hoes act strange, and I lost my grip on the world and the bliss. All right, so we have him in the back, but before we get to that, let's go ahead and go back to Landon. His effects are sound godizer. Very first thing you put, sound godizer. It sounds like this. Nowadays shit's not the same. I set it to A and I have it around this percentage and I press play. Nowadays shit's not the same. Throw on a limiter and you make the threshold around right here and ratio right here. Nowadays shit's not the same. Turn on the chorus and make it default settings and make it around 42%. Nowadays shit's not the same. Then you add reverb and click it, have dryness right there, bass, H cut, yeah. Nowadays shit's not the same. Mix it down this percentage. Nowadays shit's not the same. Life switch lanes, now these souls are strange. Go ahead and throw the second verse in there of you saying the same thing. It's gonna sound like this. Nowadays shit's not the same. Yeah. Life switch lanes, now these souls. And I call this insert Ghost Landon because he sounds like a ghost, alright? And this is how it sounds when you turn on the effects. Nowadays shit's not the same. Like switch lanes, now these souls act strange. And I lost my grip on the road and bliss. It's so lonely on the, alright? Basically, the reverb settings are dryness down, wetness default settings, decay about 6.3 seconds, H cut, high cut, low cut. Yeah. Copy those settings, all right? Make sure you copy them.
Nowadays, shit's not the same.
Now we're gonna go ahead and go back to Little Skies, which is our third verse. Here he is. I call this Little Skies in the back. We go ahead and throw a love filter on him so it sounds like he's in a wall.
Nowadays, shit's not the same. Light switch lanes, now
And
it's
throw
all
a verb.
strange, and I lost my grip.
Copy these settings, all right? Copy them.
Nowadays, shit's not the same. Life switch lanes, now these souls act strange, and I lost my grip on the world and bliss aside.
Hey,
It's
so
lonely on the east side. I don't give a fuck, I can't around my
Hey, yeah, what? And that's how you sound like Little Skies and Landon Cube nowadays. Peace, guys. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see y'all other people in the next video. Peace.